So, let's make soy garlic chicken. Ito yung ulam namin ngayon. So just follow yung instruction may number kung ano yung mga sunod-sunod na gagawin. Palagi dito 1 or na papa. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Gumawa ng sarili nyo kung hindi ano yung lasa. When the golden brown, overfry na lang natin. It's another and in like this. Transferred it to the bowl. Soy garlic sauce. Sauce. Shake it. So after that, nagsangag din ako ng natirang kanin namin. And then, nagluto na din akong mushroom soup with egg. And after that, we had a great dinner. Sarap nung pagkain. Like, look at that glaze, bro. And with the mushroom soup, parang perfect lahat. With the, I think umuulan nung araw na yan, so it's a pretty warm meal. Sarap na sarap sa pagkain. Nakataas pa oh.